In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a CSV file using Google Sheets. We'll be breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps so you can quickly export your spreadsheet data into a universally shareable format. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or anyone in between, knowing how to create a CSV file is incredibly handy, especially when you're dealing with data transfers or collaborative projects. Let's jump right in. First off, you want to open Google Sheets. If you already have a Google account, simply navigate to Google Sheets through your browser by typing in Google Sheets in the search bar or directly typing sheets.google.com. If you're starting from scratch, click on the blank option to create a new spreadsheet, or if you're working with existing data, go ahead and open your desired file. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to locate the File option. This can be found in the top left corner of the window. Clicking on File will open a drop-down menu with a range of options. It's here that you'll find various ways to manage your document, from sharing and printing to downloading. For our next step, we're interested in the Download submenu. Hover over Download, and you'll see several formats available for exporting your data. This includes options like Microsoft Excel, PDF, and most importantly for our tutorial, CSV. With the Download menu in view, now is the moment to single out comma-separated values, CSV. Select this option to begin the download process. CSV files are incredibly versatile as they store tabular data in plain text, making them highly compatible with many applications and programming environments. This format is particularly useful if you intend to import your data into databases, CRM systems, or any application that supports CSV import. As soon as you click on CSV, Google Sheets will automatically begin downloading the file onto your computer. Keep an eye out for the prompt from your browser, which will usually appear at the bottom of your window indicating a successful download. And there you have it. You've just transformed your Google Sheets data into a CSV file, ready to be shared or utilized in another platform. One final tip. Once downloaded, it's a good practice to open your CSV file using a plain text editor or spreadsheet application to ensure your data is correctly formatted. This double check ensures that nothing gets lost in translation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to easily export your data from Google Sheets to a CSV format. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.